Yeah, so today, pretty much just sheeted the whole house. It's kind of odd building a house into a pile, but we're making it to where we can load everything onto a trailer and tow it up and assemble it in a matter of hours. So after framing all the walls, the last little bit over there, we've done it to where we can just fit a 4x8 sheet without having to cut it and just nail it on. And it's all in 4-foot sections, so that way when we get there, we can just unload it off the trailer, stand them up in 4-foot sections, screw it together, and slap a roof on it. We can always drop the ramp like another 6 inches and then...
Yeah, we got an easy step.
Yeah. And even that, like... Yeah. Oh, that'd be awesome. Thank you.
Are you the same guy?
Yeah.
Who came yesterday?
Different guys.
No, different guys.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Whoa, why do you have a tent?
Oh, just to keep our tools dry in case it rains.
Well, it was raining a minute ago.
I know, but look how nice it is right now.
Yeah.
It's perfect house building weather. Oh, just so we can make like a cool video of the process of building this whole thing.
Look at your music house, dude.
Hi. Oh, what?
Check it out.
What's this house show? I can't do this.
Yep.
Like that.
All right, buddy, I think we gotta let him do some more work. We can come back later.
Yeah, come back in like 10 or 15 minutes. It'll look way different again.
Once I say this is sweet, I'll let you know. Gonna be alright.
Hi, my name is Uriah. Welcome to my music house, and I want to play some songs for you. Go outside, 'cause it was so great.
Hey Uriah, what are you doing?
I'm doing my homeschool in my music house.
Yeah?
I'm gonna be going up to my upstairs, which has a bed and a beanbag over there. The computer's gonna be up there soon. And all this my upstairs, my guitar, and my drums. Everything my favorite thing. Thanks, Seth, for helping build my music house. I know you've done a lot of hard work. Bye.